All right, new knife day. What are we expecting here? Outdoors multifunctional mini folding knife with a 440C blade for hunting and survival. I know this has an odd shape to it. We're going to see that here in just a minute, but I'm always curious what these labels say that are written in Mandarin. So if you can see, Google Translate says F358, ordinary version, big head, and then a barcode with some numbers. So whatever that means, let's get into this. Also a newcomer to the collection. This is the Sitivien ST133. Nice size knife. You got a black micarta handle, D2 blade. You know, the pictures kind of were a little misleading. I expected this to be larger, but let's see. You know, some ads call this a money clip, and that makes sense. I mean, this is definitely front pocket stuff. Okay, so is that rubber? No, that's plastic. Okay, so I guess a lanyard could possibly go through here. And so I don't injure myself, let's stay away from that OTF opening here. Oh, wow, okay. You know, whether that's 440C or not, I don't know. You know, action feels decent. I've, done it twice, but, you know, if that'll last long, I don't know, but, interesting. So what's this made of? You know, they're claiming 440C on the blade. Okay, aluminum handle, and it feels like aluminum. That's fine. That makes sense. Oh, let's see if that's actually sharp. Okay, moment of truth. You know, it's not dull, but it's not, I wouldn't call it razor sharp either. Maybe spend some time you know, on the strop just to see if I can improve on that factory blade grind. But anyways, if this is of interest to you, I'll have a link to it in the description. And if our opener, the Sitivien, is of interest to you, I'll have some information in the description as well. Hey, thanks for watching.